Black Friday was good to me this year. Now, shout out Arvella Fragrances. They had a pretty nice Black Friday sale going on, and I took total advantage of it. And we got the new Prada Paradigme. Now, as you can see, this is a tester, which saved me a lot of money from buying full-size retail bottle. And then I added in the 5% off for Black Friday, and this was hands down the best price I could find on all the internet. And believe me, I looked.
Let me see.
So shout out to my guy AP over there at Arvella. If you're looking for a legit online discounter, he'll take care of you. I'll make sure they're tagged down below. Now, for some reason, this fragrance caused a little bit of controversy around fragrance talk. Now, not near as much controversy as all the other nonsense. There's a lot of disagreement between people on this fragrance. Initially, the videos were kind of dogging on it, saying that this was kind of boring and bland. And in some ways, I get that. Prada had not released anything for a while, so I think we set the bar pretty high. But then as those videos kind of wound down, other creators came out and were talking about just how wonderful and fantastic this thing was. So I had to get my hands on it. Now, to be honest, it's not a blind buy. I've smelled it before in store, I think at a Sephora or something. And overall, I remember liking it. It didn't blow me away, but I definitely wasn't disappointed. Kind of right there in the middle. So let's dig in, see if it's any good or not. Now, I will say this is the first full-size bottle of Prada that I have bought in quite some time. And it's nothing against Prada. I enjoy all their stuff. It's just, I guess there's other things I wanted more. It's a cool bottle. I like it. Kind of nice, sleek, classy. It's not too over the top. I'm not trying to do too much. Obviously, the packaging for me and presentation, it's a tester, so you don't get all the stuff, but you usually save, 30 or 40%, sometimes more by getting the tester. All right, so let's get a whiff of this thing. Now, note-wise, on top, I think this is like bergamot, musk in the middle. There's geranium, and then at the base, it's like benzoin, balsam, and guaiac wood. That's nice. It's nice. This isn't mind-blowingly good by any means, but it's certainly not boring. This is a very soapy, fresh, clean fragrance. This is mass appealing. This is going to be good for younger guys, older guys. This is kind of that DNA of being a very, very, very wearable daily style fragrance that's going to be super versatile. Like you could wear this as a gym scent. This smells like it would be great for the office, school, whatever. Like even date night, it'd be fine. Is it boring? Yeah, maybe a little bit when you compare it to some of the crazy stuff that's out right now, like Amouage Outlands or something like that. Is it disappointing? Like, no, this is a good fragrance. I don't think this is the most like original thing I've ever smelled before. There's something in there that's a little familiar, just kind of that clean, soapy, almost like a clean dryer sheet laundry style fragrance. But overall, it's really, really nice. Like I'd give it like a 7.8 out of 10. Quick update. Paradigme is like 10 times better on skin. This is more like an 8 to an 8.25, a little bit brighter and sweeter when it's on skin, overall just better. So got to update that a little bit. Hope that helps. Is it worth the retail price, which I think is like $165 for a full price bottle? It's kind of questionable. Is it worth it if you get it at a discount from like Arvella? Yeah. 120, something like that. Yeah, this is definitely a good buy at 120 bucks. Going to be extremely wearable. I don't think it's going to blow anybody away, but I don't think you're going to find very many people that don't like it. It's fresh, clean, a little green. That's probably the geranium in there, but overall, yeah, this is a very nice fragrance. Now, I'm not going to say it's boring. I'm not going to say it's like amazing. For me, this falls kind of somewhere right in the middle. Until next time, save money, smell better.